Hi, my name is Jacie Pierce. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to quickly show you something I found. So I have played around with a lot of different website companies, website programs, and I found one that I love and I want to show it to you. What's cool about this, so it is called Builderall, builderall.com. And it allows you to create a website and it looks professional. I've created websites, so I didn't go to school for this and I'm not a professional by any means, but I'm able to kind of dink around with different programs and can create a website. I can figure out the HTML, all of those things, but with Builderall, there's features that actually make your website look professional. It's really cool. So let me show you. Let me kind of show you one that I was playing around with. So Builderall has different types of websites you can do. I'm trying this one. It's drag and drop pixel perfect. I'm going to go to my site, and I've just kind of started working on this. Kind of figure out, just play around with the different features and see if it's cool, whatever. But let me show you what I have that I really like. Now the Pixel Perfect makes it so you can see what your website will look like on, if you look over here, on a computer screen, on a tablet, and it adjusts it without messing up too much, okay? And then on a mobile device. So I can see here that this kind of looks funky, so I would fix that. But it looks pretty nice still. I'm pretty impressed. Oh, my pictures are off. So I can fix it and make sure that it looks really good on each device, no matter how people are looking at my website. So it's pretty impressive. And then I could fix this to still be there. So there, that looks a lot better. Cool. I'm pretty happy with how this is. Like, how simple is that? So that would be my mobile. My tablet, check out what needs to get fixed on it. Looks like I just have to kind of move a couple things around. Whoa, the pictures got huge on this one. You can notice these images here make it so when you hover over it, it shows a little picture. I thought that looked really cool. And this is the website I'm trying to create right now for this, but anyway, I'll mess around with that more. I just wanted to show you the different features. So let's go back to the screen. So it has those lines on the sides, so it kind of helps you keep a good eye for keeping everything centered, looks good. I like how I can have that all the way down, because I don't know what it is about me, but as I'm going, I feel like all of my things kind of start drifting to the side, kind of like when I'm writing on a chalkboard too. But these lines make it look nice still. You can see how I made each of these images, when I hover over it, have that little picture. And then I could type those words as well. And all you do is right click it. You could change the picture, you can edit it, change it so that it's not a hover, so it just stays. I could have it have a little animation. I just really like it. I think it's cool. So I'm messing around with it. Look, it makes it so that when I hover over that little icon, it changes color. So that's kind of fun. And I will have each of these, when I click on it, lead to each of my different channels or videos. And to get started, I've got that linked to my YouTube page. I haven't added this video, my welcome video, but I can add it, stick it right there. And it's pretty cool. I am really happy with how this is all turning out. Anytime you change anything, this little window will pop up. Maybe we'll make it so it won't do that anymore. But I like the way this looks right now. I wanted it simple, and I started with just the very basic plan. Let me go back out of this. I'm going to save. Okay, so if you want to just start from the beginning, go create a brand new website. They've got all these pre-built sites for you that all you got to do is plug in your information. Plug in a picture, your logo, some of the wording, and boom, you're done. Like, it is all set up. I wanted a blank page. You can see if I click on blank page, so I can do most of the editing. It still has a good little template for you to follow, and I think that looks so awesome. It makes it so easy. Now let's say, I'll show you some of these other ones. The businesses. You can find a specific area where your business is in, and boom, like, look at this. It is awesome. If you sell things, look, it already has, you could add pictures of some of your things on the website. For those that sell, let's say you sell jewelry, you can make it a piece of jewelry have a 3D image so it turns. And all you have to do is, you do have to upload a bunch of pictures of it, at different angles, and then it will turn it into a 3D turning image. And when people look at it, they can even pause it, zoom in on certain pictures, and then it will go back to its 3D turn. It is so cool. Like, this is really, really awesome. I'm loving it. So anyway, this is Builderall. You can see up here, builderall.com. I'll put a link below this video so you can click on it, give it a try for 7 days, play around with it. To use it just for your business is $10 a month, which is awesome, because not only will this create a website for you that you can use, but it can also do your email. You can see over here, there's a mailing responder, which is awesome. This is all in just one program. So I'm going to teach you more about these. There's a design section. You can design and edit your pictures, like creating a 3D image. You can also make it look really cool on signs and posters. It is amazing what this does. You can do videos and webinars through this program, different apps. Like, it is seriously an all-inclusive, awesome program. So anyway, I really suggest that you give it a try. As I'm playing around with it and just thinking around, I'm amazed at how cool it's looking. Like, I've worked on a couple websites. You can see I have 2 here. This other one was where I was playing around. The responsive site. My responsive site. Anyway, I just recommend you play around with it too. You'll be so impressed at how simple it is and how amazing it looks. So I was just playing around with it for a good day, and it came out looking pretty good. I'm definitely not done where I'm like ready to publish it and think, yes, this is awesome. But I might as well soon, because it looks pretty good. So if you have any questions, let me know. It's a fun program to play around with. And I tell you, in one afternoon, you can have a great website done with nobody's help. You can do it all by yourself. It's fun, and it's fun to play around with. It won't frustrate you like other programs frustrated me. And in another video, I'll show you some of these other features, but I just want to introduce this to you. I thank you so much for watching, and again, click my link if you'd like some information.